Hello, 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 great people. Welcome back to my kitchen. You've tuned in for another edition of Cooking with Love, and I'm Chef Green. Today we're going to be making a pineapple upside down cake, and let's go for it. Okay, so I took the liberty to go ahead and melt my butter. I have a little over I have a full stick of butter, unsalted butter, and about 2 extra tablespoons. And I have 1.5 cup of light brown sugar. And so I'm going to go ahead and place my pineapple slices here. Okay, so what we have here is in our bowl we have butter that has been softened. It's softened because it's been sitting out. And so we have 2/3 cup of butter, and we're gonna excuse me, we're gonna cream that. And we're gonna add 1 1/3 cup of sugar to that, but we'll add it gradually. Okay, so we're gonna scrape down the sides and mix a little bit longer, and we'll add in our eggs. Now what I've done is I've put the eggs all into one measuring cup, and I'm going to add my 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to that. And now we're going to drop our eggs in one at a time. At least I'm going to try to. And we'll stop it and scrape down the sides. And make sure everything gets mixed very well. So this is the reason for scraping the sides down. With our flour that we're just about to add. This is 3 and about a third cup of flour, Swan's down cake flour, and I'm gonna sift it. And there's also 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt when I get ready to sift the flour. Okay. And what I'm going to do is finish sifting it in the bowl, because I'm now going to alternate adding in my flour mixture with some pineapple juice and rum. So. So I had about a cup of a cup of pineapple juice that I got from the juice from the pineapple slices, and I have about a third cup of rum. That smells so. The two mixed together, those two liquids together, smells so good. Take a moment and scrape down the sides again. Okay, and we're ready to pour this into the pan with the pineapples and cherry and brown sugar. Our cake is done. We baked it for about 45 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna taste. So yeah, I didn't have the full amount of pineapple juice that I needed for the recipe, so I substituted for some golden rum I had, and it tastes good. This is yummy. That rum really set it off, gave it a nice little flavor. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been another edition of Cooking with Love. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your comments below and share this video. And until next time, I'm Chef Green. See you later.